And with that, I want to finish the lecture. So what things did we review? Well, the first part of the lecture, we talked about bacterial meningitis. Bacterial meningitis can be of two types: uncomplicated, which is the great majority of cases. No imaging is needed. It is a clinical and CSF diagnosis. We reserve imaging for those patients that have complications from meningitis. And the most commons are hydrocephalus, subdural collections, which can become infected and become empyemas, intracerebral abscesses, ventriculitis, or venous or arterial thrombosis leading to infarcts. In the second portion of the lecture, we talk about AIDS-related infections, and we only talk about three of them: toxoplasmosis, PML, and crypto, and we talk about their imaging findings, so you should be pretty familiar with them now. And in the last part of the lecture, we only talk about one parasite. We did mention that other things such as amoebas and such as echinococcosis can involve the brain, but they're pretty rare, particularly in North America. Parasites, cysticercosis is by far the most common parasite worldwide. And as I said, if you live in an area in which these parasites are endemic, every time you see a cystic lesion of the brain, you have to think about them. So with that, I think that you guys are ready to answer the famous quiz. Hopefully you'll improve a lot. I have provided our colleagues from Health4theworld the answers for the quiz with a short explanations as to why the answer is correct. So I want to thank all of you for joining us here, and many thanks to my colleagues from the University of California, San Francisco, and for Health4theworld for inviting me to give this lecture. And I will be back for another episode. Thank you very much.